I'm here to announce something to you. Maybe you are a Obofour member, or you are a Obinim fan here, or maybe you are not fan of me, or you are not part of Obofour members, but you have God's Spirit. You have God's Spirit. Please, I'm begging you, share this video for me. Share this video for me. Please, I'm begging you. Because someone has defrauded me very serious. Someone has defrauded me. Serious. I will explain to you in English because maybe you don't understand our local language. So I will explain to you with English very soon. So I would like to speak our local language to those who understand my language. That is Ghanaian language. Tree. So I'm coming. Ebushia, asemi ina say obi edimidin Jessica wo internet ne so a minim ho hwe. Timesrawo. Video a mi twa share ma me patcho share pa obi dimidin no Jessica so no ne Bishop Obinim. Me patcho nyamia. Iti announcement a meye wo video mo ne say wa ubi ene wo chat se woni ni Bishop Obinim e wo Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube baby ano e patronye mea because ubi ewura mi Facebook page ni ubi ewura mi Facebook page ni ubi ewura na woni bebre chat ti say ye mea na wo the telephone number se gina atwo no even ufeni video call kra na utiri me picture ana me video bi a me metwa to ti se ka me make say ana me picture bi no dia to na video no ana say picture na kasa e computer tricks AI na yes ade no e say no computer tricks na ba ni AI no ne nyama no start to crazy wa utimi eturi nine if yesu picture kra no Hāck bi me so hu sa ne ma bebrebe so ti o me the computer no AI no tricks no attracking my baby. It you bet o bet ma fo bi picture na ese picture na kasa. Aso muti me fa wo bi video na ese no na kasa ba na nyo no. Iti mo am frefre video call na wo be mu sa ese meti wo na me hyeche, ase me hyeche bi na me ne mo kasa, ase meti wo bi say na me ne mo kasa ase video call enya me o. E you bi and we wura mi Facebook page, we bi na wura mi internet page ni. And one will chat to say you may Bishop Obinim no enyemia ti mesrew wa obi a request sika bi afri wo chance on ni Bishop Obinim send sika mama no and as send a picture from no and as say man sika no to miracle items bi mro no me pacho and on frodo enyemia on frodo ti mesrew man nka no kran kiro if he send me Injil Obinim Bishop Obinim me tia sole e bepem ne minji will be a sika on Facebook and Twitter, TikTok, and YouTube. Minji will be a sika da. I solid them near bar for real. So be a me bar for real. Solid them. We will be a son. Council and other bar. We will be a son. Some my request is sika on Facebook, and I'm never chatting on Facebook. If I join me, it's why we be never chatting on Facebook. Say only Bishop Obinim. It's a patro Bishop Obinim Ministries here. Sami page we na Bishop Obinim Ministries we na we so Obinim wo chat say e yo no Bishop Obinim ono no Angel Obinim nti saniska no nya kwankyere ma saniska no mo mpaye ma wa me patro nya me ya me no bi an chat wo Facebook me no bi an chat e wo TikTok me no bi an chat e wo Twitter Instagram ne YouTube me no bi an chat te mesrawo. It is what you can send this Scāmmers will be. No say Bishop Obinim, or only Bishop Obinim, or any Angel Obinim, into what they want Payama. What's the no picture will be? So only Bishop Obinim, or any Angel Obinim, what's the no picture man? No, as I send this Scāmmers and Yamia. Into Mr. Ubi now Frodo. Ubi ask Scāmmers. It's Mr. and Yamia. Mimi will be on chat with Facebook. Apart from me, I'm a telephone number, you put me. Apart from me, I'm a telephone number. You could tell me a minute for chatting with message in WhatsApp. Me will be on chat and chatting with Facebook. That the same to TikTok. Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, me be an chatting. Me time cry, me ko chatting. Apart from me, my telephone me kutame, me srow, me poucho. Dinami din srow. Into telephone number na will be the amount say friend on enyamia. Telephone number no be the amount say friend on enyamia. I say telephone number no be say friend on enyamia. Sa number no minimum ho hwe. Me poucho enyamia. And let me say, me no be so on chat, make me no be on chat. E wo Facebook ho, me men chat. Nti me so e you be na wura me Facebook account you. Em say the pakon your best or your IT. Or you be on nim computer, mu pan nim sa ne ma internet to wura mu. And one wo chat say you may Bishop Obinim. Enye me a. E pa cho. To mu di me din ni bu ko for don ko for scamming ko for. Enye me a. Ti wa di kan send this scam mo de o mabu. Me see me nye bi da. I want to speak to those who cannot hear our local language. Please, somebody has hacked my page, my account. Somebody has entered into my Facebook account. The person has hacked my accounts, the Facebook. So the person using my name as an Obinim, Bishop Obinim to chatting people, it's not me. So the person using my name and my face, fraud people, scamming people, it's not me. That's why I'm telling you that somebody or someone has defrauded me, because the person using my name defraud people. It's not me. So be very careful from today going. Don't allow anyone to scam you. Don't allow anyone to fraud you. So I'm not chatting with anyone in Facebook. So be very careful. You are chatting with someone in Facebook or TikTok or Twitter or Instagram or YouTube, and the person say, it's me, Bishop Obinim. I'm a Bishop Obinim. It's a liar. It's a lie. It's not me. I'm not chatting with anyone in Facebook. Don't forget, I said somebody or someone has hacked into my accounts. The person has entered into my accounts. And the person using my name as a Bishop Obinim, to default people. It's not me. So please don't send any money to anyone. Don't send any money to anybody. They are still scamming people. They are still defraud people. Share this program for me. Share this video for me so that everyone will see. Please, I'm begging you. Share the video. So from today, don't chat with anyone in Facebook. The person say, I'm a Bishop Obinim. So let's chat. Don't chat with anyone. Maybe you have already sent the money to the person. The person has already collected your money. It's not me. Yes, you can report it, or you can report this scam people into any near police station behind you or around you, and give the number to them, the police people. Give the person number to the police people. It's not me. Please, I'm begging you. Someone has defrauded me. That is the video message I'm sending to you. So the person using my name, Bishop Obinim, Obinim, to defraud people. So don't chat with anyone again. It's not me. It's not me. It's not me. It's not me. Don't chat with anyone in Facebook and the person say, I'm a Bishop Obinim. I'm not the one. I'm a Obinim. I'm not the one. I'm Bishop Obinim. You are chatting. I'm not the one. The person will say, call me. Video call. When they call me video call, you see my face. Call me video call, you see my face. It's a liar. It's an AI trick. The person can use my video, the person can use my picture and programming the AI. So you see my picture and the picture is talking. You see my video and the video is talking like me. It's not me. It's an AI trick. It's a computer trick. It's an AI trick. Because now you know AI can do many things. Even picture can talk. Even a statue can move. That is AI trick. So don't do it again. I'm begging you. Don't do it again. Don't chat with anyone in Facebook or TikTok or Instagram or YouTube again. And the person will tell you that you are speaking to Obinim, Bishop Obinim. Don't do it again. This is an announcement for you. Please share for me. 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 May God bless you. Bye-bye.